Welcome my students. We'll learn how to connect and set up an LCD screen with Arduino. Now prepare. Arduino circuit. LCD screen. Module of LCD. Wires male-female. USB connector. Beard board. Connecting an LCD screen with the LCD module using a breadboard. Here, we have 4 pins, SCL, SDA, positive, and negative. And now, connect the LCD module to Arduino board. And now, connect Arduino board to your computer to upload the code. Now, we'll use Arduino IDE software to write a code, then upload it to the Arduino board. But at first we have to use external library called LiquidCrystal I2C. Click on this icon to verify the code and upload to Arduino board.